This store you are seeing on the screen made this is using this marketing strategy, not Facebook, not TikTok, not Instagram, but this marketing strategy called Pinterest. Most Shopify store owner or brand owner think Pinterest is just to check fashion ideas, decoration ideas, but Pinterest is one of the fast growing social media channels you can use to promote this type of products like fashion products, decoration, pets, arts and crafts, and some other products that solve problems. Because most people that visit Pinterest, their intention to go to Pinterest is to find products that solve solutions. So in this video, I will show you how you can set up Pinterest ads for your Shopify store step by step. Kindly make sure you stay to the end of this video. The first thing you need to do is to create an Pinterest account. Once you create an account, then it should display like this. Then after that, convert your normal account to business account. Click on this convert to business account. After that, it should bring you to this section here. Then click on upgrade, because a business account will be able to run ads and see some insights about the products you post on Pinterest. Now click on upgrade. After that, describe your business. This is for Shopify store owner. Then click on online store. Put in your business name, your country, your website if you have your website. Put in your website. After that, click on save. And after that, Pinterest also asks you some few details about your business goals. Then choose these 3 categories: increase online stays, drive traffic to your store, and grow brand awareness. After that, choose what your brand is focused on. If it's fashion or home accessories, decoration, education, then choose it. Where will you like to start? Pinterest will ask you this question. So to share ideas, claim your website, showcase your brand. As a Shopify store owner, someone who is selling products, all you need to click here is claim your website. Is to claim your website because you want to showcase products in your website. Now, share ideas is just for someone who has the product ideas, maybe solution for some stuff. Then you can post it on Pinterest. You can just click on. But the best for Shopify store owner is to claim your website. Now, once you click on claim your website, it will bring you to this section here where you will be able to add your website to Pinterest. Click on claim. When you click on claim, then it will bring you to this section here. Just copy this HTML tag and add it to your theme file on Shopify. Once you add it to your theme file on Shopify, it will claim automatically. Now, to link your Instagram account, you need to make sure you turn your Instagram account to business account so that you'll be able to add your Instagram to Pinterest. After claiming your website and Instagram, next thing is to edit your profile, adding your brand logo. After that, put in the about your product and also put your business address. Fill in all your business address, your countries. And after that, click on save. Once you click on save, the next thing is to create pin. On Pinterest it is called pin. Other social media it is called post. So just like posting your products on Instagram or TikTok, but on Pinterest it is called pin. You need to create a pin. Now, after clicking on create pin, it will bring you to this section here. There are different ways you can pin your product on Pinterest. You can pin your product on Pinterest by adding the image of your product if you have it in your gallery on your computer, or you can paste in your Shopify link in this section here. Just save from your URL. Click on save on URL and put in your Shopify nick, and it will display all the products in your Shopify store after claiming it. But I think it's still processing to claim on this site here. So if you don't have that, then just add your products from the gallery to Pinterest and limit, put in your product description and so on, and also a tag. Once you pin your product, it will display in this section here. Now the next thing is to create an ads account. Now drop down this profile here, then click on create ads account. Click on create ads account. Put in your business name, country, click on create. Now the next thing is to create campaign. After you click on create campaign, it will bring you to this section here. Now there's two options here: automated campaign, manual campaign. Then for a beginner, I will recommend this automated campaign. Click on automated campaign, and after that, what is your main objective? The first objective to choose is consideration, so you can discover people to click on your pin. The products you post, people can see it. It will ask you to select your create pin or create a new pin. I already pinned a product, so I will select from the products I already pinned. Once you click on save, then add your website link and link your ads. You can see all the products I just added. It's what I want to run ads for. Then after clicking on campaign, click on start, your billing address and your all the information about your business. Then also add your card. From this section here, you can add your credit card. Once you add your credit card, then you can start running ads on Pinterest. This is the last stage to run ads. After that, Pinterest will automatically start showcasing your products to the right audience for your products. Here's how you can run Pinterest ads for your Shopify store. And if you can install Pinterest on your Shopify, because in some country there is no way you can add Pinterest to your Shopify account. But if you are not enabled to add Pinterest to your Shopify account, you can run it outside of Shopify, just like the way I show you in this screen. And I will also be making some other marketing which the store use to make this sales you are seeing on the screen, and other marketing I will be dropping it in this channel here. And don't forget to click on the subscriber button and comment any question you need to ask about this Pinterest.